No, I hear you. Yeah, I normally hear your voice, but I hear you. Do you hear me? The problem is to see you. To hear, I can hear you. I can't see you, but I can hear. But I can hear your voice. But I can hear your voice. So, uh, and you hear my voice. Yeah, this is not. This is not. I don't understand why. Why is only for us? So that's the thing. I don't understand why. What's going on here? I don't understand why. Yeah, that's the thing I always look after. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know what we are doing wrong here. If you can see me now. So what's this? The thing I don't understand even myself is this one. Why it just become black?